All right, here's, I don't know if this is a sad one or I don't know how this made you feel, but we have the announcement here that Daft Punk has broken up. I don't even know if breakup is right. Maybe just retired. I don't know which way they wanted to phrase it. Pitchfork says they broke up. The legendary dance duo has called it quits after 28 years. Their publicist has confirmed such a thing, whichever phrase you want to put on it. 28 years is hard to believe. It just reminds me of how fleeting everything is, how old you and I are. 28 years, starting the career back in 1997. They released an 8-minute video titled Epilogue, which is a piece of their 2006 film. Did you watch the clip, by the way? I don't know if you can play it here. Probably not.
Yeah, I did watch it.
You watched the clip. They're walking apart, and then the guy explodes. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
Like kind of maybe indicative of what transpired between the two of them. That
Right.
One of them was like, I want to keep going with this thing.
Yeah.
I want to put out new music. And the other guy's like, man, we did it. We're done. And we nothing left to see here.
And the whole desert thing, just keep on walking.
I mean, and it's a symbols. There's the symbols to it and the metaphors to it and the life in general, and which however deeply you want to read into it, the internal struggle and battle between doing and not doing, between playing the hand or folding. I mean, you got to make the call sometimes. And I want to allow them, I want to say, yo, do your thing, guys.
Yeah.
Because I enjoyed a lot of this music over the years. And yeah, it's a long career. It's a long career. It's a long time to be a thing and live up to a particular standard. Now, I know they haven't released a lot of music recently, but they have been collaborating a lot still with other artists, still doing work. And for me, if you're Daft Punk, you get to do whatever you want right now.
Yeah. Yeah, you can work with anyone at this point.
You get, or not work at all.
Yeah.
If you're Daft Punk, you do what you want right now. If you're Daft Punk, you can walk through the desert if that's what you want to do. If you're Daft Punk, you can go chill with the monks over in Tibet or whatever you want to do. You can do what you want to do at that point.
For sure, yeah. You cemented yourself.
I mean, you were Daft Punk, man. So anyway, and they left a lot of music out here for us to still enjoy for now and forever. So actually, this is more of just a shout out. Thank you to Daft Punk.
Thank you.